Hi, today we are going to see how to install Google Chrome. On your computer, open any browser such as Microsoft Edge. Then type google.com/chrome. Then press enter. This type of interface will be visible. Click download Chrome. Then start download. Then click open. It will take some time. Then click get started. If you want to add bookmarks to your favorite Google apps, then next, or you can skip. This is how you can install your Google Chrome. If you find this video helpful, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.